Hey everybody, welcome to week 3. Hope you guys did okay. Looked like you did okay with week 1 and week 2 with me out of town. I was celebrating my 25 years of wedded bliss to my wife over in beautiful Maui. And don't know if anybody's had an opportunity to go over there, but there's a reason they call that place paradise, let me tell you. So we've enjoyed that back here, ready to get after it. I've graded your week 1 work. We'll start grading week 2 probably tomorrow or the day after. I noticed in some of the week 1 work, it looked like maybe those original instructions that I'd sent out about the amount of work required for a 20-point assignment may have got missed. So if you can go back and recheck your email, or also somebody was kind enough to post them on the Ask a Question, Get an Answer board in a PDF format, so you can take a look at that. The one thing I would caution everybody on is when you read the questions, especially on the discussion board and on the assignments, you'll notice some of them there's several parts of the question. It'll ask for one thing, and then maybe it'll ask for another thing and another thing, so it may have 3 or 4 deliverables on that assignment. Well, you may read the first couple and kind of breeze over the second, give me the first or 2 deliverables, miss the second or the third and fourth, and then get half the points. And so I want you to understand that that's why that's happening. So be sure you're reading the instructions really well, and you should do just fine. Now I'm going to take you through the homework a little bit for week 3. Looks like assignment 3.1, it says obtain a copy of your organizational chart for your place of business or whatever organization you're connected with. For some places this can be a little challenging. There may not be one that exists, so if one doesn't exist, you need to be able to create one. I would rather you did it in like an Excel format, or you can do it in Word. You can do it by hand and scan it. But I need 2 things out of that. I need a picture and I need some writing. There's an essay assigned to this as well. So you're really going to have 2 pieces that you may submit for that, okay? If you can get it all in one file, that's great. If it takes 2, no problem. If you're in a huge organization and you want to just do a organizational chart for your department, that's fine. If you currently don't work in an organization or are connected with one right now and you want to use maybe one from your past, that's fine. In a really rare case, I guess you could pretend like you've started your own business and you have some departments and you can create one from that. Either way, you need to come up with something. Assignment 3.2 is to write a reflective paper about your attitudes towards change after you read chapter 7. That'll probably give you some ammunition for that. That's just 10 points, so that just needs to be 1 page. Obviously 3.1 was 20 points, so you'll have 2 pages plus the picture, plus the organizational chart, okay? Assignment 3.3. This one can be a little challenging because it is outline the human resource management activities for your organization. Now, if you have a human resource manager, hopefully it'd be real easy to go in and sit down and say, give me a list of what you do. Well, not all of them are really open to that kind of discussion. Hopefully yours is. And when you do this, this is not really an essay. Even though it's for 20 points, you can probably do it on 1 page, and it can just be a list of the human resource management activities that your human resource manager does. If you don't have a human resource manager, somebody in that building is probably performing a human resource function. Sit down with them. Or if you kind of see what the human resource functions are, catalog those. It's just take a piece of paper, put the list down. I'm assuming you're going to send it in Word. Worst case scenario, if you've got nothing that you can draw from, pretend like you're starting a business and you're going to have a human resource manager. Please list the human resource management activities you would want carried out for your business. Make sense? Chapter 9, that's build an effective time management skills. To page 284 of edition 6. That's a 10-point questionnaire. Normally on your little time management things or the little exercises you're doing in the book, those are 5, where you really just give me the score and then tell me 2 or 3 sentences about what you learned. With this one, you'll take the test and then Give me about a page. It'll take about a page to write about what you learned about the stress in your life, okay? Now, I have found some people use this as a therapeutic device, and I become the counselor via paper when they write down everything that stresses them out. If that helps you, go ahead and do it. I don't mind performing that function. If there's anything I can do to help, I will. We're here for you guys. So anyhow, I pray that everything's going well. And if you need anything, I'm just a text message or an email away. Thanks, everybody.